Thanks for taking your time today. And I will put four of you on the screen, the three judges plus one of you who will be speaking. So we start with Aditya. Aditya, how old are you?
I'm 15 years old. I'm studying in 10th grade.
Okay, excellent. So Harinder ji.
So Aditya, tell me something about the fur painting.
Fur painting has originated in the Bhilwara district of Rajasthan. It's there since the 1600s. So this art form is either mythological or it shows some historical scene which has happened. So I have chosen the historical scene, which is the Battle of Haldighati between the forces of Maharana Pratap and the Mughal Emperor Akbar.
So have you taken any inspiration from somewhere, or is it your own composition?
I found this one painting by the famous flood artist Vivek Joshi from the Joshi community. It was also on the same topic on the Battle of Haldighati. I took some inspiration. My background for my painting was taken from there, but I took little details from other paintings and I merged them all together to make my own piece.
Okay. So as you said, you mentioned that the Vivek Joshi. So do you know any the traditional because I can see it's a contemporary method of making fur painting.
Yeah, I have used contemporary methods. The traditional methods involve like doing it on cloth. I have done it on paper, and also the natural colors are used and natural brushes are used. I've used everything like poster colors and I've done mixed medium like poster colors and like pens and all.
Okay, so do you know that fur painting is a storytelling art?
Yes.
And it's a combination of art form and music, whatever it may. Whatever the art we prepare, we depict the story, and there will be a Bhopa or Bhopi, like for that your Babuji ka fur, you can get it Bhopa and Bhopi, but in Dev Narayan fur, you get only the one man who narrates the story about the local deity Dev Narayan. So this was the background of the scroll, why we have made this painting. But what is the special characteristic in the fur painting? Because you have done very well, you have studied very well, and that's I wanted to know.
The special character is the attention to detail. It's not done in a very vague manner. Every single figure is given a lot of detail, and that makes the entire final product look very good.
But I can see, like, do you think you have made that all the painting characters are in the one side and they are like talking to each other?
They are like fighting with each other. The green people are the Muslims on Akbar's side, and the Mughals, and the red people are the Rajputs under Maharana Pratap, and they are locked in battle. There are archers, there are swordsmen, and there are some infantrymen on the horses, and I've made like a general war setting.
Okay. So generally the paintings are in this fur painting are made in side profile. That was the main major character in the fur painting. It's not, and it's due to because whatever the story we need, because the application of this fur is narration.
Yes.
So, and the storyteller wants to narrate the story like the two figures are communicating with each other. They are in the action.
Yeah.
Except from the major deity, nothing has been painted in a front profile.
No, there is no front profile in fur paintings. It's all from this. It's all a side profile itself. But it does tell the story properly because at the top there the Shakti Singh, who is the brother of Maharana Pratap, and Man Singh, who is the general of Akbar. They are holding the formalities before the war, and after that the lower part is basically the war, and there's a small corner in the left as well. So in the middle of the painting, the story goes that Maharana Pratap on his horse Chetak, he mounts an attack on Man Singh's elephant and he almost succeeds. But instead of killing Man Singh, his spear finds the person who was, the other people who are on the elephant, the Mahout, and he dies. But in the process, the elephant was holding a sword in its trunk, and the horse's leg gets injured. Chetak's leg gets injured. So, because of the reduced mobility, he could not continue on the battlefield. So, the horse took him away from the battlefield. Then the horse takes him away from the battlefield, and the Mughals follow him to capture him. But then there is this big stream in the middle of the path, and the injured horse manages to run across and jump over the stream, thus taking his master to safety. After all this very brave actions of Chetak, it dies in peace and from its injuries. And Shakti Singh, who had in the middle of the war, he had gone to support Man Singh. He turns back to Pratap's side, and then he gives Pratap his own horse so that he can escape. So this is the story which is told through my painting.
Okay, that's so wonderful. That's the another thing, because it's a contemporary fur. And then, do you know anything about the fur local deities, like which are the traditionally fur paintings made on? Any? There were 5 local deities.
That one of them was Dev Narayan and another was Babuji. But
And the rest of the 3?
I don't know.
Okay.
I didn't come across them while I was researching.
Yeah, you can do the research about that, the Gogaji, Ramdev, Navdev, because the stories are made on that. It started with the making storytelling scrolls for the 5 local deities, and after that the contemporary thing comes, and then they started making the small khans and the small pictures.
Yes.
Although whatever you have done research, it's a very excellent job, and whatever the story you have directed in a very good part of a good way you have done.
Excellent. Well done.
Thank
Sati?
you.
Well done. This is regarding Chetak. You have depicted it very well, because so many saviors were there for
Thank you, sir.
the pair of Pratap and Chetak. That's a good thing. Good study you have done.
Thanks,
I
sir.
must appreciate that.
वंदना जी?
सर बहुत सुंदर बनाई है पेंटिंग, और सारा डिटेल तो उसने बता दिया है, अब मैं क्या पूछूं?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well done.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बनाया.
Thanks, Aditya. Thank you very much. All the very best. Okay, next is Akshaya.
Yes, sir.
Akshaya, ready?
Yes.
So Akshaya has made this one, mandala art. How old are you, Akshaya?
13 complete, sir. 14 running.
All right, excellent. So we'll maybe start with Vandana ji.
मंडला आर्ट क्या है, अक्षय?
Buddhists created mandala art, and it is used in different forms. Buddhists use, Christians, China, and India, also Japan have created many mandala artworks.
आपने इसमें क्या दिखाया है?
I have used turtle and lotus. Turtle represents good luck and good fortune, as well lotus represents health, good health and purity.
Okay.
Does turtle have any other meaning as per Feng Shui?
Good luck, good health and good fortune.
A turtle has a strong heart.
Yeah.
Good for meditation.
Yes. Mandala is good for meditation.
Yes.
Harinda ji?
It's like what is the basic things we need to be kept in our mind while making any mandala?
Circles, geometrical patterns, materials you need for mandala art.
If I make any circle, or if I draw any geometrical pattern somewhere, will it be a mandala?
Yes.
And as you mentioned that the Buddhist, like mandala is Buddhist art. So have you seen any mandala from the Buddhist art?
No.
Who taught you this art?
I have learned on my own. I'm a self-learner. This was my third time drawing mandala art.
Okay. And as you mentioned that about the mandala art, then I would advise you just type Buddhist mandala and just go through either on the book or on your website, and just compare the patterns made in the mandalas and with your pattern. So anything, if we put like a dot or if we make any design, is not a mandala. There are a certain patterns, a certain way of doing it. Like when we do the mandala for the meditation, it has always a four doors, four lines, four squares. It's not a open. We cannot make anything open when we want to use for the meditation or any spiritual person. It should be bound in the boundaries, because we want our concentration should be at a certain point.
Yes.
So that is the main characteristic when you do something for the meditation. Yes, of course, we are doing nowadays mandalas for our decoration with the pattern, but the statement is very conflict that if I do anything with any geometrical shape, that is mandala.
Yeah.
So because you mentioned the Buddhist thing, so I would suggest you to go and see whether it's on internet or the books. So study over this your mandala.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, Akshaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have Anubhuti.
Tell us something about your drawing which you have done for the competition.
Yes, sir. So, my drawing is a Patachitra, and it is based on the story of Krishna. And the Patachitra is of Odisha Patachitra, and it is showing that Krishna with some gopis is rowing a boat in a very beautiful lake.
Again, then how the pink is derived? Have you made it in the palette?
So sorry, I can't hear you. Can you repeat it?
The pink have you used?
Yes, sir.
The pink which you have used, have you made it in the palette? Or you took any ready-made paint for that?
So actually, I made some. It was very dark pink, so I mixed some white in it. Then I have done it. And because of camera quality is showing so dark, but in reality it's little light, so the drawing can come out nicely.
Okay.
Harindaji?
What are the 5 major colors used for Patachitra?
Ma'am, first blue, yellow, red, white, black, and there are some shades of orange also for more brightness. They use in ancient times too.
Yeah, so do you have any idea of which colors they use traditionally?
Yeah, sorry. Yes, ma'am, because this Odisha Patachitra is only based on the mythological stories of Lord Jagannath and Krishna. So there are some common colors like blue for Krishna. Gopis are mostly colored in pink, light pink, like baby pink, and in light brown and yellow. And for Jagannath ji, they almost use the whole black color, red, and for the brother and sister, yellow and white. So these are the common colors.
And what are the base they use?
Ma'am, basically means they first do it on cloth, because traditionally they do it off cloth, but because I'm not doing it traditionally, so I have done it on paper.
Yeah, that's perfect. But just I wanted to know, do you know that's the process, how the base, like, because it's a patta chitra. What is made in a patti?
Cloth.
Yeah, it's a cloth pasted together with the tamarind gram, and they have grind with the lime, and then they grind it, and then they prepare a kind of canvas.
Ma'am, actually first they polish the cloth. Means traditionally I'm saying first they polish the cloth so that it gives a lustrous effect. Then because the painters are very professional, so they don't do with charcoal or first pencil. They just do it with light yellow or light red. They first do the lining, or like we say like drawing, then they will fill the colors. But as we are not such professionals, we first do with pencils, then we just fill
the perfectly fine. I just wanted to know about. And what is the basic character of the Patachitra?
Ma'am, the main thing that make a difference between Pattachitra and other folk arts, that it has mainly the beautiful border designings, and it is mostly based on the mythological stories.
Right. Basically, that makes that's the black outline in the draw and the flat coloring.
Yes, ma'am. The designing of the borders.
Design of the borders, and then the figure, and the proportion of the figures, and then the colors. And basically, my question was the colors they use is for the stone colors, and stone colors are available in 5 colors, and the white they prepare with that your shells, seashells.
Yes, ma'am.
Powder. They make it the powder form, then soak it into the water, and then they collect it, filter them, and then the collected in the dish, and then added the gum arabic, and that's how they prepare that's the white color with that. Yes. You had done very nice, like the composition.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Excellent.
Has somebody helped you? Has somebody helped you in this?
No, sir. I have done it by myself.
What is the inspiration for this painting? Like, have you seen somewhere, or it's your own composition?
Ma'am, I have seen some like references like this board, the story, because it's all based on story. So I have to see some of the drawings. So I saw it from the internet.
And can you tell me any name of the Pattachitra artist whom you have seen on internet?
Yes, ma'am, sure. It's Raghunath Mahabhadra, but he have made many miniature drawings and even the sculptures.
And is he from that Bhubaneswar or Puri?
Actually, ma'am, it is from Puri, because only there Jagannath temple is situated, and because Jagannath is almost like Krishna only, so most like Konark temple, Jagannath temple, there are most of the Pattachitra drawings.
No, I'm just talking about the Raghunath Mahabhadra.
Ma'am,
you mentioned the name, that's why I just wanted to know more about it.
Ma'am, I didn't go like detailed. I just like search it that who is mostly common artist of Pattachitra painting.
Yeah, Mahapatras are the people entitled to be Jagannath Puri's traditional artists. They are the parental.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
वंदना जी.
जी सर. सर पूरा तो डिटेल हो जाता है, मैं क्या पूछूं इन लोगों से? ओके, नो क्वेश्चन.
No question. Pass.
Yes, pass.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anubhuti. Very, very well done. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next we have with us Deepika. Is Deepika online?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Deepika. How old are you?
I'm 15 years old, sir.
Okay, welcome. So let's start with Vandana ji.
हाँ जी. आपने कौन सी पेंटिंग बनाई है?
मैम, मैं डिजिटल स्क्रॉल पेंटिंग बनाई है मैम.
अच्छा, ये कहाँ की है?
मैम, ये तेलंगाना की है.
ओके. आपने इसमें क्या स्टोरी दिखाई आपने?
मैम, इसमें लाइक तेलंगाना पीपल्स का लाइवलीहुड, लाइक हाउ दे रन देयर लाइफ, डेली लाइफ, व्हाट एंड ऑल वर्क दे डू. लाइक आई हैव शोड दैट दे आर लाइक खेत में काम कर रहे हैं लोग, और कुछ लोग फ्रूट्स लेकर वो बास्केट में वो चल रहे हैं, और घर में बैठकर थोड़ी लोग बात कर रहे हैं.
और कलर्स आपने कौन से यूज किए हैं?
मैम, मैंने वाटर कलर और एक्रेलिक पेंट यूज किया है.
और बेस क्या रखा है?
किस
बेस पे बनाया है? मींस किस बेस पे आपने कपड़ा लिया है, पेपर लिया है, बोर्ड लिया है, कैनवस लिया है? किस?
मैम, आई हैव टेकन अ पेपर.
ओके.
मैम, ये मेरी पहली बार थी, मैंने कभी नहीं ट्राई किया था.
नहीं, ओके, बहुत अच्छा बनाया आपने. आप इसी तरह स्टडी करिए और बनाइए. और कहाँ से आपने ये माने कंपोजिशन कैसे बनाया आपने?
मैम, मैंने रेफरेंस थोड़ी इंटरनेट से लिया था. मैंने एक आर्टिस्ट धनलोक का वैकुंठम उन्होंने बहुत सारे बनाई है, उनसे मैंने थोड़ा रेफरेंस लिया था मैम।
ओके ओके, आप ऐसे ही अच्छे से बनाइए और इम्प्रूव करिए। ओके,
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू जी। सर जी,
going through internet directly, right?
Yes ma'am. Yes sir.
Going through internet. Have you seen some books of serial painting, scroll painting?
No, I've seen some magazines in those, some artists and some drawings.
Okay. So what do you believe in? Net or book?
The books have more informations, like some informations are wrong on the internet. So books.
Don't say are. That can be wrong. But
Yes,
books
sir.
are more authentic, you can say.
Yes sir.
Right. Go ahead. Do it like that only. Believe in the books. You will flourish like anything. Your
Thank you,
first work, I must appreciate. It is very nice and well done.
Thank you sir.
well done. Arinder ji?
So what is the purpose of aerial painting? Basically, traditionally nowadays we are using it in our hands, like decoration purpose. You are making the painting, but what was the purpose behind making the aerial painting?
Ma'am, it shows the livelihood, like the stories, like how they lived, and even mythologically stories they are shown, like a wedding of the gods, like Sita and Ram wedding, like that also they have made, ma'am. And in this Telangana Chajal scroll painting, I have made like how they live, how they go through their livelihood, like they hunt the animals, and they use all the natural food, like fruits and all.
But why they called it as a aerial painting? Why not any other thing? Why this has a name like a aerial?
I do not know so much about it.
Because whenever you do the same art, so you need some background over it. That's why it's known as why. So you go through from where you have started. So maybe you can come back with it a better way. Otherwise, I don't have. It's like you have done wonderful artwork. It's all characteristics are there. The storytelling. Basically, it's a storytelling painting. So if there is no story, then there's no painting will come. It's made in a small compare. So you have created all the elements in it. So
yes, sir.
So you need a little bit more research. You can do it over that, and you
yes,
can come back to us like this on the style.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you very much. Okay, so the next one is Uni Meher. Welcome. How old are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm 15 years old, sir.
You're 15 years old. Yes. So, Sarji, you can start. So, she has done Varli art. Let me put this on the screen.
The peacock in the Varli form, is it the same which you have referred from? From where have you referred?
Sir, I've referred different pictures from the internet. I just went through. Yes, sir.
Have you seen such kind of peacock in the internet?
Yes, sir. In one picture I saw it and I really liked it, so I thought I should add it.
In the tree, characteristics is okay, but the peacock, when you see the original one, it cannot be this kind of peacock. Have you gone little deep into it, Varlis?
Not really,
where
sir.
Are they from?
Sir, from Maharashtra, from Varli region.
Yeah. Varli region is northern Maharashtra, west side.
To Gujarat side.
Yes. Now, what all the things you have done?
Sir, I've depicted the harvest season, and I've included all the major processes of harvest season, like harvesting, threshing, then selling the harvest, and other people, and the tarpa dance brings it all together. So and I've done it in the blue color background, even though the traditional color is dark red and brown, because I thought the blue color will bring it together more beautifully.
Okay. So that's your depiction.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
you have felt like, you have done it.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Yep. Vandana ji,
No question, sir.
no question. Aradhna ji.
No question.
Sarji, I just want to ask and tell us, like, the dance she is depicted is like Therpa dance?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Tarpa dance.
Therpa dance. So Therpa dance, we should see the Therpa player?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's in the in the middle. It's usually the tarpa player, but I drew the person holding the harvest because it is the harvest season.
But which as per my knowledge, I am not like Sarji is more knowledgeable than me. I would like to, sir, आप उसको तेरपा dance के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे? Because this is not the circle the people are dancing. It's like a much more deep meaning than this.
What she has depicted, according to me, is when the harvest is in at home and we are flourished with lots of grains, lots of animals hunted and fishes, etc. But harvesting has a process, very long process, 4 months, 5 months process.
Yes, sir.
And also, tarpa is very important, particular instrument which is meant for it, which takes 6 months to grow and about 10-15 days to make it. The particular tarpa, how to make the tarpa, also there are YouTube films available. There are lots of other films available. Try to learn something more from that.
Yes, sir.
And particularly that peacock.
Yes, sir.
Think for that peacock 10 times.
Yes, sir.
Because this kind of peacock is a real peacock.
Yes, sir.
Their peacock is not a reality. I'll just give you an example about it. Their weddings also are not the real our kind of wedding.
Yes, sir.
The lady gave dowry to a bridegroom. लड़के को dowry मिला.
Oh, okay.
So many things are there. You can go deep into it, learn so many things, and grow yourself. Behind you also, I can see some drawing.
So those are posters.
And one thing, do you know any artist, Warli artist? Have you because
Ma'am, I read about Warli art on Wikipedia, and I think I came across one person's name, Jivya
Soma Mashi.
Yes, sir. And he had won a Padma Shri in 2011.
Yes.
So and his son and his son's name was also there. I can't.
Yeah, there's one article.
Balu Mashi, I think. I'm not sure.
Balu and Sadashiv, two
Yes,
are
sir.
his sons.
Yes, sir.
I'm not that one. So my name is Sadashiv. But I have stayed with him. I have stayed with their village, deep into the village. I used to go there and sleep. I used to go and stay with their houses, etc.
Okay.
Try to go deep into it.
Yes, sir.
You will learn a lot of stories about it.
Yes, sir.
Their birds are also peculiar birds.
Yes.
Their day-to-day life also is very, very peculiar. you can't change in it. Right? Try to be authentic by reading the books.
Yes.
Excellent.
As I said, there are several books about it. Go through them.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Juni. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so next one is on the list, Kirtana. Okay, welcome, Kirtana.
Thank you.
How old are you?
17 years old.
All right, excellent. So you're done Kerala mural.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start with Vandana ji.
Hello, ma'am.
हाय, आपने पहले तो ये बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग बनाई है। इसका जो आपने ड्राइंग की है,
मैम would you please translate in English?
और कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलते हो आप?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु। तो मैं तमिल में बोलूं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है। और இந்த drawing நீங்க செஞ்சிருக்கீங்கல்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
அத எப்படி செஞ்ச?
Paint.
இல்ல அது ஓகே. ஓ பெயிண்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவீங்கல்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம கம்போசிஷன் செய்வோம், டிராயிங் செய்வோம். அது எப்படி செஞ்ச? டைரக்ட் செஞ்சீங்களா இல்ல ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணீங்களா?
டைரக்ட்டா பண்ணேன்.
டைரக்ட்டா பண்ணீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
டிராயிங் எங்க பாத்தீங்களா?
ஆன்லைன்ல Pinterestல பார்த்தேன், மேம்.
ஓ அது டிட்டோ டிராயிங் பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல some changes பண்ணீங்களா? some changes பண்ணீங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
என்னோட क्वेश्चन என்ன कि இதுல பேஸ் என்ன இருக்குது? பேப்பர்ல பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல கேன்வாஸ்ல கேன்வாஸ்ல பண்ணீங்களா? அதுல கலர்ஸ் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணீங்களா?
yellow, red, blue, green.
மீடியம் என்ன மீடியம் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்க? acrylic color. okay.
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Harvinder ji
आप आइए।
So what is the basic characteristic of the Kerala mural paintings? You have done wonderfully. Like
it depicts the old.
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this was the question.
It depicts the tradition of Kerala and also Hindu mythology.
It's like my question is what is the technique like which makes different from the other paintings to the color technique, the way of coloring?
Actually, acrylic painting gives a bright color. It makes our painting bright, look good.
Then other sides, have you seen the traditional Kerala murals?
Yes, ma'am.
Contemporary artists, so they do some sort of gradation of colors, like they start with the lighter tone and goes to the darker tone. They use the pentimenti technique. Previously they used to take the pentimenti, and I am sure the good artists still doing the same technique. That means they make it little bit strokes from the color.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the basic coloring technique of the Kerala mural. So have you observed that in the mural paintings?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in your composition, like what you have depicted in that?
Actually, I am new to this mural painting and this is my first painting.
Okay. It's like very wonderfully done, but what is the subject of that?
Actually, Kerala mural depicts like it is an epic painting, ma'am. It used to depict the Hindu tradition.
Can you tell me in Tamil? Vandana ji can translate.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
மியூரல் பெயிண்டிங்ல வந்து கேரளா மியூரல் எப்படின்னா அந்த நம்ம ஹிந்து ட்ரெடிஷன் படி அந்த ராமாயண் மகாபாரத் அந்த இதுல இருந்து கொண்டு வருவாங்க.
மெயின்
இதுல வந்து வேற எதுவும்
மெயின் அதுல கிருஷ்ணாவோட தான் ஜாஸ்தி காமிப்பாங்க.
எஸ் மேம்.
So what you have painted, like I think Krishna and Radha.
Krishna Radha, yes. Ras Leela, Krishna Radha और main Ras Leela घाटी जास्ती आदि वो मैं भी तमिल में ही बोलने लगी। कृष्ण और राधा दोनों का जो है रासलीला दिखाया गया है ज्यादातर, क्योंकि केरला में कृष्ण को ज्यादा मानते हैं लोग। ओके,
Thank you. Very good. Sarji?
I have a question about border.
Yes, sir.
Maple leaf. Is it really necessary? Maple leaf which you have done all around the painting.
Yeah, sir. No, sir.
Just to
Actually,
look-
I did take picture for this competition. Actually,
Okay.
while I am searching for a site to sell my painting, I saw this Lok Kalaratna award. That's why I have registered there.
Okay.
बेसिकली सर जी ये जो पेंटिंग है मतलब मेपल इफेक्ट है, ये पेंटिंग का पार्ट नहीं है। ये जोन सा वेबसाइट पे इन्होंने डाला था वहां पे ये फ्रेम बना हुआ होगा एंड वो है पेंटिंग।
Ready-made बना हुआ।
पेंटिंग हाँ।
You have not done this.
I done this, sir.
No, that's is the maple leaf is the part of the painting, or painting is surrounded by the white line.
Right.
Kirtana, is the
There-
maple
there are-
leaf that you have done, is it part of the painting or is only the white border is part of the painting?
Only the white border, sir.
Yeah, okay. That's what I asked. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
All right. Thanks. Well done. Very well done.
Thank you, sir.
All the very best.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next is Komal. Komal Walimbe.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. And Komal has done mandala art.
Yeah.
Komal, how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
All right. Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Harinder ji.
Tell me about what do you understand by mandala?
Okay, so mandala is original from the Buddhism, and then it was in 4th century. It was spread across Tibet, China, and of course India. So in mandala, there is a small circle which is surrounded by many big circles, and there are many intricate, minute designs. And this mandala also shows a part of a universe as it is surrounded, as it is too large.
So what is the purpose of making mandala?
To depict a movement or a story, particular story.
Okay. And traditionally, because Buddhist art, they used to use the mandala for their meditation purpose.
Yeah, for patience.
For patience. So my question is again with you: if I make some lines or some design, so will you be like, will it be a mandala art or it's just a design?
It depends on how what is the design particularly. If it is in circle, then it's a mandala art. It has a particular design which follows the mandala art.
Okay. And does the border or the corners are necessary for the mandala art, or we can keep it open free?
We can keep it open free.
Okay. And now tell me about your painting, what you have depicted.
Okay, so in my painting, this time in my painting, I drew Ma Saraswati with a mount as a peacock and swan, but this time I didn't drew swan, I drew peacock, and her symbol, that is lotus. The lotus represents purity. As we know, Ma Saraswati is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, learning, purity, music, and art. And she is the mother of all the Vedas, and she has a calming and centering personality. So I just drew all the elements about her and created the artwork.
Okay. And have you seen any mandala art from the Buddhist Thangka paintings or anything else? The original mandala?
Yeah, I had once researched on Google, of course, and I had found they have used many colors and they have very intricate designs and with minute paint brushes, which are very difficult. Not paint brushes, but
I'm done.
Okay, well done. Sarji?
Ma Saraswati has to be depicted with the book. Is
Yeah.
it necessary?
Yeah, because she is the goddess of learning and knowledge.
So you depicted that book
Yeah.
for showing that this is definitely Saraswati instead of showing only the Taratantri.
Yes.
You have depicted the book. Okay.
Excellent. Vandana ji, anything you want to add?
नहीं बस no question.
No questions. Well done, Komal. Well done. Thank you very much.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best. Okay, next is Roshni. Hi, Roshni.
Hello,
Okay, how old are you, Roshni?
I'm 14.
14. Okay, so Sarji, she has done something different to all the people. Sanjihi art.
Okay. What have you used for this? Have you just colored it?
No, I've cut it out.
You have cut it out with the surgical knife?
Yes, a small craft knife.
Craft knife. You feel a need of keeping some very thin white line and keeping a block bigger. For that,
No, I didn't do that. I only used the craft knife. I didn't use any paint.
no paint I'm not asking, but it's a small, very thin surgical knife which we use for Sanji, and their faces are very, very neatly depicted. Here, faces are going away. Too much of white lines are seen, and very thin lines are black. Right? Another thing, have you checked it from Google or Pinterest or something?
I used some references from Google and I put them together to do my own.
Good. I think it is original one.
Sorry, what was that?
Original Sanji work. Do you know the story of it?
I know that it originated in the 15th, 16th century, and it was traditionally used to make patterns on rangoli.
Rangoli on what? To be on water. And they used to remove the paper time to time, and they used to change the colors in this also. The cut pieces were used for Rangoli, and that is what is called as this. Has in Maya Sabha, they had a tank, very big tank. In Maya Sabha, whatever incidents has happened, that is because of this Rangoli was there, that was showing as if it is carpet. And from there, this art is still living and people are still doing it. But this is in knife and black and white form. So try to go deep into it, why it was colorful, how it was done. See that if you put a coal on water, on top of that, if you keep this paper, Sanji paper, and on top of that, if you sprinkle some Rangoli, take out that paper, another paper for different clothing or different background or different trees, you can place it there and you can sprinkle the Rangoli. This was the process.
Yes.
Have you gone through that? Any one
Yes,
story?
I've read about it.
Okay. Okay, well done. Anyway, this was done very well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Harunda ji.
What is the inspiration for this work?
I came across Sanji art and I thought it was very interesting and I wanted to try something new. So I was looking online and I found out that a lot of them are around Krishna. So I wanted to do one with Krishna on it.
So you have taken the printout and then you have cut it down, or like you have created the one by yourself?
I drew it on the iPad and I got it printed out on some nice paper and then I cut it out.
And have you any search about the Sanji artist on the internet?
Yes, I had a look, and there's not many people who do it the traditional way with scissors, and there's a few people who do it with these specific scissors for Sanji art.
Right.
And they can do it very intricate and delicately without even a stencil, and I thought it was very, very interesting.
I have a friend who got a national award for Sanji art, Mr. Soni, and nowadays he used to use the gold and silver, the foil with the scissors. But you have done it very nicely.
Very, very nice.
Very, very good work.
Okay.
Well done. Thank you. Vandana ji?
नहीं सर, सब बता देते हैं ये लोग, तो क्वेश्चन की जरूरत नहीं है.
Well
जो
done.
नहीं है वो पूछ लूंगी.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, Roshni. Well done.
बहुत अच्छा बनाया. Very good.
Okay, next one is Samruddhi Dutt. And
yes,
you're there. Hi, Samruddhi.
hi sir, namaste.
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 How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Welcome. All the very best. So let's see if you can share your painting here. Hanumanji, Kalamkari painting. Yes, Vandana ji.
हाँ जी. रिद्धि, आपने इसको किस पे बनाया है?
पेपर पे.
पेपर पे बनाया. ओरिजिनली ये किस पे बनता है?
Can you please repeat it?
हाँ, आपने पेपर पे बनाया है, लेकिन अधिकतर किस चीज पे बनता है? किस बेस पे बनता है ये? चलो कोई बात नहीं. ज्यादातर कपड़े पे बनता है. ओके. और कलर्स इसमें कौन से यूज होते हैं?
नेचुरल कलर्स.
और आपने कौन से यूज किए हैं?
मैंने इसमें एक्रेलिक ऑयल पेस्टल्स.
और ये जो आपने ड्राइंग बनाई है, ये आपने कैसे खुद से बनाई है या कहीं से देखकर बनाई है?
Yes, I have taken some reference from Google.
Okay.
And when I was drawing, I was thinking, what should I draw? Then it was Saturday, a day dedicated to Lord Hanuman, and we have mandir situated in our area, so I thought to make Kalamkari Hanuman.
Okay. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा बनाया आपने. और इसको और इम्प्रूव करिए, लाइनें और अच्छी बनाइए. ठीक है?
Sir ji, any questions?
Yeah, I'm there. Hello.
Yes.
Hanumanji is with the Dronagiri Parvat, right?
Yes.
It was almost flight.
संजीवनी पर्वत.
What did he found? Dronagiri. What did he found in the river which was down there?
There was fishes. River.
The river, or it can be a sea.
Yes.
What was there which was special for in his life? Hanuman's life.
He was the devotee of Ram, and Hanuman is giving refined and detailed treatment with some designs. The great devotee of Ram, carrying the mountain of Dronagiri in his left hand, and his weapon in right hand. His body is I have painted in flesh tint color, and he wearing some jewelries. And when Lakshman, the brother of Ramchandra, was hurt by arrow, the physicist suggests that he made some herbs. So Hanuman was not able to recognize it. So he take the mountain in his hand, and
I think there is a story about some crocodile in the water. You can go deep into it, find the story.
Okay.
Hanuman had a son, and the crocodile has a story about it in the water. Find that.
Okay, sir.
That will take time, but try to find out.
I have not gone deeply.
So deeply you are not gone. That is why.
Yes.
Because one leg he is flying, one leg he is in the water. That blue line depicts water, right? So one leg is inside the water. That's why I got reminded of that story with the crocodile.
Okay,
Try
sir.
to find the story.
Yes,
Wish you all
sure.
the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Arundhati, you want to ask something? Thanks, Anurudhi. All the very best.
Thank you.
Okay, so next we have Sheikh Nabil.
Hi, sir. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. How old are you, Sheikh Nabil?
13 years, sir.
13 years. Welcome. Welcome. So you made a Goan painting.
Goan.
So Sarji, you can start.
Goan painting, have you noticed something about the deer part of it? Deer
Yes,
has
sir.
different parts, differently colored. And you colored it only in one color. Why is that?
So that first I tried to do it in two colors, sir, but when I tried to do it in two colors, that second one means not looking good. That's why I did it in one color.
Okay. You repaired it.
Yes, sir.
And the tree is depicted well.
Yes.
Even the peacock or the birds which you have shown, that also may have in one body, you can see 3-4 different colors.
Yes, sir.
You avoided working on different colors. Was the time demanding less? What was that? The time demanding less time on the picture. When you started the work, was it nearing the deadline of our competition?
No, sir. When I was starting to, that time there was exams half yearly.
Okay. So you had a reason to reduce the work.
Yes.
Okay. Now, वंदना जी बोलिए.
आपने इसमें क्या थीम दिखाई है?
मन मैंने इसमें दिखाई है कि एक साथ रहने से हार्मोनी में रह सकते हैं, खुशी से पीसफुली रह सकते हैं.
अच्छा. और क्या दिखाया है आपने?
इसमें ये नेचर को दिखाया मैम.
ओके.
जानवरों को, नेचर को.
और ये कलर्स जो आपने यूज किए हैं वो कौन कौन से यूज किए हैं? कौन सा मीडियम यूज किया है?
एक्रेलिक कलर्स मैम, ट्यूब कलर्स.
ओके. ऐसा ज्यादातर गोंद आर्ट में जो है किस चीज को बनाते हैं ज्यादा? किन किन सब्जेक्ट्स को लेते हैं या क्या क्या फिगर्स उसमें आते हैं?
एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स
और
नेचर में.
और ये कहाँ का आर्ट है?
मैम मध्य प्रदेश।
ओके, मध्य प्रदेश में भी पर्टिकुलर एक जगह है जिसके नाम से ही ये पेंटिंग का नाम पड़ा है।
मैम इट्स फ्रॉम गोंड ट्राइब मैम।
ठीक, ओके ओके,
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
थैंक यू।
Harinder ji,
who was that? Do you think, like, have you read about anything about that, the Gond art, how it started?
But I know it was started 1600 years ago, 1400 years ago.
No, like there was one artist basically who was Jamgarh Shyam Singh, who was he started this form of art. The artist which may like the people misunderstand, or that's the literature that everybody misunderstand with the Gond art. So this is the style developed by the Jamgarh Shyam Singh. The Gond art, basically the tribal art, it's a very different from the art which you have painted. That's made in like a kind of rangoli. We do like that's the lines and the patterns there.
Ma'am, for patterns I tried to use that cone liner, ma'am, but here that was not of.
And the patterns which you have made is inspired from the natures, like some pattern they saw the cobweb and then they created the cobweb. Some patterns they say the leaves, they made it like a leaf. It's not a simply designs. They are inspired and transformed basically from the natural things.
Yes, ma'am.
So but why you are so nervous?
First time I am interviewing.
Okay, but you have done very well. There is nothing like to be nervous. It's like we are just chit-chatting.
Okay.
And your painting is very good, very beautifully done.
Nicely done. Keep smile always.
Now I am doing one mandala.
Very nice.
My God.
Excellent.
So much of work. So much of work.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks, Sheikh. Right, so next one we have is Shimpi Shahu. Shimpi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How old are you?
16 years.
Your work is very beautiful.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Let's start with Vandana ji.
सर प्लीज हिंदी में बात करेंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल करेंगे। अच्छा, ये जो आपने पेंटिंग बनाई है, पहली बात तो ये बहुत सुंदर बनाई है आपने। और ये कितना टाइम लिया आपने इस पेंटिंग के लिए?
1 month, 1 महीना।
1 महीना लिया। और बहुत जो आपने मीडियम लिया है, कौन सा मीडियम लिया है? मतलब कि आपने किन कलर से बनाया है?
नेचुरल कलर्स।
नेचुरल कलर से बनाया है। नेचुरल कैसे आपने बनाए हैं या?
हाँ, घर पे
बनाए हैं। वेरी गुड, बहुत सुंदर बनाया आपने। और ये जो ड्राइंग है आपकी, ये आपने कहाँ से ली है, कैसे बनाई?
ये तो इमेजिन, मतलब जो हम छुपाई आर्ट में इमेजिन करते हैं, मतलब जो दूसरी पेंटिंग्स है ना,
हाँ,
उनको सबको देख के खुद से ही कुछ अलग सा निकाला।
अलग, मतलब वही मेरा पूछने का मतलब ये, देखो कहीं किसी ना किसी ने तो कोई आर्ट बनाया है, उसको देखकर ही हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, कुछ चीजें अपनी जोड़ लेते हैं। सही बात है ना? हाँ, तो ये है कि आपने पेंटिंग कहाँ से देखी? मैंने किसी बड़ों को बनाते हुए देखा या गूगल में बड़ों को बनाते हुए?
बड़ों को, मतलब मेरे पापा, मेरे बड़े पापा, हमारे घर में ये सब मेरे दादाजी ये सब करते हैं, तो उनको देख के सीखा है मैंने।
सीखा है। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बनाई है आपने। और मेहनत करिए और अच्छी पेंटिंग्स बनाइए।
सर जी,
I wish you all the best. Lot of work is put in. I would like you to talk to Arvinda ji because she has not many things to talk about it.
शिम्पी, बताओ आपने क्या बनाया? सॉरी, इट्स लाइक
नहीं आप ठीक है, आप पूछो।
अरविंद जी,
आप बताइए कि आपने इसमें क्या बनाया है एग्जैक्टली।
हमने इसमें जो श्रीनाथ जी का जो होता है ना स्वरूप, उसमें श्रृंगार का चंद्रमा, गोवर्धन और उसके अंदर जो उनका श्रृंगार होता है उनको दर्शाया है।
हाँ, कौन सा श्रृंगार बनाया है? जब श्रृंगार की बात आ गई तो
गोकुल चंद्र,
गोकुल चंद का श्रृंगार बनाया है। कोई साथ में है क्या बताने वाला?
आवाज आ रही है।
वो
बड़े पापा है, छोटे पापा है?
छोटे पापा है।
छोटे पापा बैठे हैं साथ में।
हाँ।
तो आप तो, क्योंकि बाकी सब लोग भी बैठ के सुन रहे हैं, तो आप मुझे सिर्फ ये बताओ कि इसमें जो आपने डिफरेंट तरह के ये जो पेड़ बनाए हैं, ये कौन कौन से पेड़ हैं?
एक इसमें आम का पेड़ है और मेहंदी का और कदम का पेड़ है।
पत्ते भी दिखाई दे रहे हैं मुझे।
हाँ।
पेंटिंग सामने रखी है?
नहीं, वो अभी मैं घर पे ही हूँ। फेस्टिवल है ना आज, तो घर पे ही है, वो दुकान में ही है।
तो आप किससे सीखते हो अपना पेंटिंग?
मतलब जो हमने घर पे देखा वही सीखा है।
ये कौन सिखाता है आपको? छोटे पापा, बड़े पापा, भैया
सिखाते हैं। मतलब जो मैं करती हूँ ना, तो
हाँ।
वो देखते जाते हैं, बड़े पापा, छोटे पापा।
अच्छा, तो अभी इसका सबका प्रोसेस बता दो कि तुमने कहाँ से शुरू किया और कैसे बनाया।
कैसे बनाया, सही बात।
पहले उसको कपड़े को चिपकाते हैं, जो घर पे ही उसकी बनती है, उसकी लाई जो पेस्ट करने के लिए।
ऐसे नहीं, पेस्ट करने के लिए तुमने जो लाई बनाई वहां से बताओ।
जो पेस्ट करने के लिए लाई बनाते हैं, उसको मैदे से उसको गर्म पानी में डाल के फिर ना गैस पे थोड़ा सा उबाल लेते हैं। उबाल लेने के बाद उसको थोड़ा सा ठंडा करते हैं। ठंडा करने के बाद उसके कोई भी माइका या कुछ भी उसके ऊपर चिपकाते हैं, फिर उसके कपड़े के से ना हाथ से करते हैं।
तो पापा ने चिपकाया या तुमने चिपकाया?
मैंने ही चिपकाया।
फिर उसके बाद
इसका स्केच लगाते हैं।
स्केच
कलर
कैसे लगाया?
स्केच हाथों से, पेंसिल से खुद से ही करा।
हाथों पेंसिल से पूरे तरीके से। अच्छा, जो तुमने कलर, जो ये ग्रीन कलर बनाए हैं अगले अलग अलग तरह के, तो वो ग्रीन कलर के कॉम्बिनेशन बताओ कैसे बनाए।
मतलब
जैसे एक डार्क ग्रीन है, एक लाइट ग्रीन है, एक दूसरा ग्रीन है, तो कितनी तरह के तुमने ग्रीन इस्तेमाल किए?
एक ही ग्रीन होता है, मतलब उसी में से ना उसको मिक्स करके अलग अलग, जिसमें किसी में येलो मिला के, किसी में क्या ना ऑरेंज, ऐसे व्हाइट।
में तुमने गोल्ड भी इस्तेमाल किया?
हाँ, रियल गोल्ड।
तो गोल्ड कैसे, क्या कौन सा गोल्ड इस्तेमाल किया? बरक यूज किया। तो बरक कैसे चिपकाया?
बरक पहले इसके ऊपर येलो होता है, येलो लगता है। येलो लगने के बाद इसमें थोड़ा फेविकोल लगता है, और उसके बाद ऑयल पेंट, गोल्डन येलो उसको लगा के उसको थोड़ा सा, मतलब जैसे उसमें थोड़ी सी सीम नहीं रहती है ना, हल्की सी सीम रहती है बस, उससे उसमें लगाते हैं।
फिर तुम उसको
5-6 घंटे बाद।
तो निकलता नहीं है वो?
नहीं।
जब तुम ये काम किया था, तुमने वीडियो बनाया था अपना?
हाँ मैडम।
अच्छा, सबमिट करना है?
यस मैडम।
ठीक है। और बहुत सुंदर काम किया है सर जी, मेरा हो गया।
वेल डन, बहुत खूब, ब्यूटीफुल,
बहुत सुंदर।
ये भी बता दो पिछवाई कहाँ का है?
पिछवाई नाथद्वारा का है।
कौन सी शैली है?
पिछवाई शैली
नहीं, नाथद्वारा शैली है। पेंटिंग है, शैली नाथद्वारा है।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
वेल डन।
बहुत सुंदर बना है।
थैंक यू
Shimpi, thank you very much. The next one is Geeta Shri. Come.
Namaste, sir.
Welcome, namaste.
How are you?
Fine.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Excellent. So you've done a Kerala mural.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vandana ji.
हाँ जी, कैसे पूछूं? हिंदी में, तमिल में, मलयालम में कैसे पूछूं?
English.
इंग्लिश तो नहीं आती मेरे को, तो मैं क्या करूं बताओ? हिंदी में पूछूं? हिंदी में पूछूं?
तमिल में
तमिल पूछूं? तमिल में?
Yes, ma'am.
ஓகே. நீ இது கம்போசிஷன் செஞ்சியல்ல, அது இங்கே தான் பார்த்தேன்.
Ma'am, my own composition only, ma'am.
பட் எங்கேயாச்சு பார்த்திருப்பல்ல?
Ma'am, I saw some references, ma'am, but this one I did on my
அதுதான்
own.
கேக்குறேன் நான். அதுதான் கேக்குறேன். ஓ இது செஞ்சிருக்கறல்ல, எங்கேயாச்சு பார்த்தாதான் நம்ம மைண்ட்ல இருக்கும்.
Ma'am, I saw in some pictures like Krishna playing flute, ma'am. So I myself added calves and deer and all nearby.
Okay.
With waves and all, ma'am.
Okay.
Because Lord Krishna and all loving, like lovely creatures are surrounding him, ma'am.
Okay. அப்போ அப்படி டிராயிங் நீ செஞ்சியா இல்ல டிராயிங் எப்படி பேப்பர்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செஞ்சிட்டு இல்ல டைரக்ட் கேன்வாஸ்ல செஞ்சிட்டீங்களா?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. This is plywood. On top of plywood, they put Gada cloth, ma'am.
Okay.
On top of that, I've drawn and painted.
அப்போ டைரக்ட் பென்சில்ல டிரா பண்ணியாச்சு மேல?
Yes, ma'am.
ட்ரேஸ் பண்ணல?
No, ma'am.
அப்போ எப்படி ஸ்டார்டிங்ல ஏதோ ஒரு பேஸ் நோட் புக்ல இல்லாட்டி டிராயிங் புக்ல சின்ன காம்போசிஷன் செஞ்சிருப்பல்ல?
Ma'am, first I drew in drawing notebook, ma'am, and then I drew it on.
அதுதான் கேக்குறேன். காம்போசிஷன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்கே செஞ்சேன், அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ போர்ட்ல பண்ணிட்டியா?
Yes, ma'am.
கலர்ஸ் ஏதோ யூஸ் பண்ணன?
Ma'am, I used acrylic colors, ma'am.
Acrylic colors, okay. ஓகே. இது பின்னாலே இதே மாதிரி இருக்காதே, அந்த மவுண்டன் செஞ்சிருக்கறல்ல, பின்னாலே மவுண்டன் செஞ்சிருக்கற, அது மேக்ஸिमम கேரளா ஆர்ட்ல இருக்காதே?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. They use natural colors in that, ma'am. But we don't use natural colors over here. I used acrylic, ma'am. So I made mountains.
Mountains, okay. சரி, ஓகே. நல்லா செஞ்சிருக்கறேன். இனி நல்லா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டடி பண்ணனா இனி நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Arundaji.
So tell me about something about Kerala murals. Means why you made this, what is your inspiration, and what do you know about Kerala murals? Anything, whatever you know.
Ma'am, my theme is Krishna playing flute in Vrindavan, ma'am. So this is my own composition, ma'am. I always love Lord Krishna around, like with lovely creatures, ma'am. So I drew a swan, calves, and then deer and all, ma'am. I used washing technique for painting and all, ma'am.
But my question was like, do you know anything about the Kerala mural, how it started, the history, what kind of, from where it belongs to, or what is the major depiction in that, and what is the color technique?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. This actually started from 9th to 12th century, ma'am. And then this one is, it tells about the Hindu mythology in Kerala, ma'am. And then like it also gives, like it depicts from the Puranas, Chitra Sutram and Vishnu Dharmotram Puranas, ma'am. And then there are Ramayana mural in Ramayana mural Mattanjeri Palace, ma'am. And then Tirunandikara Cave Temple and all murals, many murals are there, ma'am.
Have you taken inspiration from those murals, like the color technique?
Ma'am, I've seen through net, ma'am, like Manikandan Panikal, there is an artist, ma'am. So I saw through net, ma'am. He had done Lord Nataraja, then Lord Ganesha, and then ladies in dancing posture and all, ma'am. So then I thought I'll do a painting of Lord Krishna, ma'am, because he's my favorite god also, ma'am.
Okay, very beautiful.
Very well done. Okay, Sarji, you want to add something?
You said something about washing technique. Can you elaborate on that?
Sir, yes, sir, because I used like one particular color with different shades, like light, dark, and then along with white, I washed it with water, sir. That is how they do for Kerala mural.
How many times you have to add the darker color?
First, I'll give a darker color, and then when it is wet, even on top of that, I give lighter color, and then I wash it with white.
Okay, excellent.
Good.
Thank Geetashree. Thank you very much. Excellent work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's see if we can get everyone on the line. Good. Let's take a picture, a group picture, and then we can close the meeting. Right, just hold on. Smile, please. Excellent. Thank you very much. So I wish you all the best. So what we will do is we will be posting the winners next week. Actually on 14th of November on Children's Day. And most likely we'll also do a streaming of today's session. So you can watch the entire sequence. And I wish you all the best. And I hope the best artist wins the Local Ratna Award. Thank you very much.